Hey there, welcome to this tutorial on how to grow your YouTube channel. In this video, we'll cover some basic tips and tricks that will help you get more subscribers, views, and engagement on your channel. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced YouTuber, this video is for you. Identify your niche. The first step to growing your YouTube channel is to identify your niche. What do you want your channel to be about? Are you interested in food, fashion, beauty, gaming, or travel? Once you have identified your niche, you can create content that is tailored to your target audience. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract a loyal following. Research your competition. The second step is to research your competition. Look at other YouTubers in your niche and see what they are doing well. Look at their video titles, descriptions, tags, and engagement levels. This will give you an idea of what works and what doesn't work in your niche. Additionally, you can also see what topics are popular in your niche and create videos around those topics. Create high-quality content. The third step is to create high-quality content. This means that your videos should be visually appealing, engaging, and informative. You don't need expensive equipment to create great videos. All you need is a good camera, decent lighting, and some editing software. Or use Pictory.ai for a totally faceless YouTube channel. Additionally, you can also use free stock footage and music to enhance the quality of your videos. Make sure to also include calls to action in your videos, such as subscribing to your channel or leaving a comment. Optimize your videos for SEO. The fourth step is to optimize your videos for search engine optimization, SEO. This means that you should use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in search results, making it easier for people to find your channel. Additionally, you can also use annotations and end screens to promote your other videos and increase your watch time. Promote your channel on social media. The fifth step is to promote your channel on social media. This means that you should create social media accounts for your channel and share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. This will help you reach a wider audience and increase your chances of getting more subscribers. Additionally, you can also collaborate with other influencers and bloggers in your niche to cross-promote your content. Engage with your audience. The sixth step is to engage with your audience. This means that you should respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create videos that address their questions and concerns. By engaging with your audience, you will create a loyal following that will support you and help you grow your channel. Additionally, you can also use community features like live streams, polls, and stories to engage with your audience in real time. Analyze your metrics. The seventh step is to analyze your metrics. This means that you should keep track of your views, subscribers, watch time, and engagement levels. This will give you an idea of what content is resonating with your audience and what needs improvement. Additionally, you can also use tools like YouTube Analytics to see where your traffic is coming from and how people are discovering your channel. Collaborate with other YouTubers. The eighth step is to collaborate with other YouTubers. This means that you should reach out to other YouTubers in your niche and collaborate on videos. This will help you reach their audience and vice versa, increasing your reach and exposure. Additionally, you can also join YouTube networks and communities. Conclusion. So, there you have it, some basic tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel. Remember, growing your channel takes time and effort, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep creating great content, engaging with your audience, and promoting your channel, and you will see your channel grow in no time. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.